Wiring and earthing. Question number 1. How the conduit pipe are specified? Outer diameter of the in mm. Question 2. What is the fusing factor of a rewireable fuse? Option B 1.4. Question number 3. What is the name of electric accessories? Option B Edison screw type holder. Question number 4. What is the name of the conduit accessories? Option number C inspection band. How many two-way switch or intermediate switch are used to control one lamp from 3 positions? Option B 2. Question 6. What is the name of the diagram? Option number D circuit diagram. Question 7. What is the fusing factor of the high rupturing capacity fuse HRC fuse? Option number B 1.1. Question number 8. What is the name of the accessory used for electric application? Option number C iron connected with direct entry. Question 9. What is the name of the accessory symbol? Option number D multi-position switch single pole. Question number 10. What is the name of the 4 insulator conductor group? Option number C quad. If 4 conductor in a group called quads. Question number 11. How many two-way switch are required to go down wiring to control 4 lamp? Option number B 3 lamp are required two-way switch for go down wiring. Question number 12. What is the symbol of indicate? Option number B ceiling fan. What is the name of the diagram? Option number C installation plan. Question number 14. Which item refers the time taken by a fuse to interrupt the circuit in a fault? Option number C cut-off factor. Question number 15. What is the name of lighting circuit? Option number C go down lighting wiring. 1 one-way switch, 3 two-way switch for 4 lamp. Question number 16. What is the explanation of MCB? Option number B Question number 16. What is the name? Question number 16. What is the expansion of a MCB? Option number B miniature circuit breaker. Question number 17. What does the symbol X indicate? The symbol what is X indicate? Option number A number of wire run on the limb. Question number 18. What is the minimum size of a aluminum earth continuity conductor used in a single phase domestic wiring as per BSI? Option number C 2.5 square mm. Question number 19. What is the name of the wiring method? Option number B looping back method. Question number 20. What is the expansion of ECC? Option number B earth continuity conductor. Question number 21. What is the expansion of AWG? Option number A American wire gauge. What is the name of BSI symbol? Option number C intermediate switch. Question number 23. What is the formula? Calculate the voltage drop in a AC single phase circuit. Voltage drop IR. Question number 24. What is the maximum permeable load for power sub circuit as per EI rule? Option number D 3000 watt for power sub circuit. For light sub circuit 800 watt. Question number 25. What is the permissible leakage current in a domestic wiring installation? Option number D 1/500 into full load current. Question number 26. What is the principle the earth resistance test work? Option number C fall of resistance, fall of potential method. Level number 2. Question number 1. What is the purpose of underwrite knobs for pendant holder connection? Option number D reduce the strain from the terminal of the accessories. Question number 2. Which What is the type of a fuse? Option number B, high rupture capacity fuse. Question number 3, which type of load is protected by L series MCB? Option number B, geyser. L series MCB, geyser. Question number 4, what is the advantage of concealed wiring? Option number D, protect against moisture. Concealed wiring used for protect against moisture. Question number 5, what is the purpose of tin coating on the copper fuse wire? Option number C, prevent oxidation of a copper wire. Question number 6, why tree system of wiring most suitable for multi-storage building? Option number D, easy in fault finding with many fuse. Easy in fault finding with many fuse. So multi-storage building tree system is used. Question number 7, which is the used as a filler material for fixing screw hole on the ceiling fan? Option number B, nylon material used for fixing the screw in a ceiling. Question number 8, where the iron-clad double pole ICDP main switch is used? Option number C, single phase domestic installation. Question number 9, which electric exercise belongs the general classification of exercise? Option B, ceiling rose, general classification. Fuse as a safety. Internet switch as a controller. Pendant holder for holding. So not it, only ceiling rose is a general accessory. Which is the application of a DC series MCB? Option number C, locomotive. DC series MCB used in locomotive. Question number 11, which place tree system of wiring mostly used? Option number D, multi-storage building. Question number 12, which tool is used to bend the conduit? Option number A, hickey. Hickey is used for bend the conduit pipe. Question number 13, what is the purpose of ELCB? Option number B, monitor the residual current. Question number 14, what is the purpose of a fuse cutout? Provide the incoming power supply. Option number A, to ensure the line is not overload. Question number 15, what is the use for die stock set? Cut, option number C, cut external thread on the cylindrical pipe. Question number 16, what is the purpose of the circuit diagram in a wiring installation? Option number D, to show the systematic connection of the circuit for a specific task. Question number 17, why looping back or looping in method is preferred in domestic wiring installation? Option number B, no separate joint are used. Option number B, no separate joint are used. Question number 18, what type of wiring installation is in the circuit diagram? Option number A, staircase wiring. Question number 19, which wiring method is installed? Option number B, clit wiring is used. This part is a clit wiring. This part is clit wiring. Question number 20, which type of a conduit used for gas tight explosion installation? Option number B, rigid steel conduits. Question number 21, what is the function of bimetallic strip in MCB? Option number A, overload protection. Question number 22, what protection offered by residual current circuit breaker? Option number A, protect from shock. Question number 23, which wiring is suitable for temporary installation? Option number A, clit wiring. Question number 24, what is the application for wiring? Question number 23, which wiring is suitable for temporary wiring? Option number A, clit wiring. 24, what is the application of the wiring circuit? Option number D, 1 lamp bright and 2 dim. Question number 25, which type of accessory are used to operate a portable application? Option number C, outlet accessories. Portable application outlet accessories. Question number 26, which insulation is necessary for proper functioning and basic protection? Option number B, functioning insulation. Question number 27, Which type of accessories fuse come? Question C. Safety accessories. Question number 28. Which type of MCB used for halogen lamp? Option number B. G series MCB halogen lamp, G series MCB.